Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be comparing Kilocode versus Cursor, which is the ultimate open source AI code agent you should be using. So, Kilocode is an open source code agent framework that automates coding tasks via modular agents. Meanwhile, Cursor is an AI-first editor and agent built to accelerate dev workflows with AI-driven edits, refactors, and agents like automation. Kilocode emphasizes extensibility and community scripts. Meanwhile, Cursor focuses on editor integration, reliability, and deep context. Here's my review. I used both on a small web app project. Kilocode was fun and flexible. I spun up agents to scaffold components, run tests, and lint automatically. It's great if you like building pipelines and adding custom agents. Cursor felt mature. Its editor suggestions, multi-refactors, and interactive reasoning made real development smoother. Cursor's AI actually handled tricky refactors and explained them very well. Kilo required more glue code and maintenance. For open source tinkering, Kilo wins. For day-to-day productivity, Cursor is superior. Here are some flaws that I found. With Kilocode, you will spend time building and maintaining agents. It's not plug and play. On Cursor, you have paid plans for long context features, and it's less DIY than Kilo. Here's my final verdict. If you want built custom agent workflows, Kilocode. If you want an immediately powerful AI dev environment, Cursor. My pick, personally, would be Cursor for most devs and Kilocode for builders and integrators. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.